Hello guys, thank you for stopping by. Today's video is gonna be a really short one. It's the review kind of video about the COLOURPOP new Luxe lipsticks, and I was so excited to learn from their Instagram that they are launching the regular lipsticks that I was like, I have to buy them. I have to have them in my kit. So, and actually I was going to buy more, but they were out of stock at that moment. Yeah, but right now I think that they have them back in stock, so go check them out. They launched January 31st and they came in 24 shades. They say that these lipsticks are really buttery and they're creamy and they are opaque and so on and so forth, and actually this is true. As soon as you take them out of the packaging and swipe on your arm or on your lips, you just love them from the first sight. I did the swatches without using any lip pencils as a base, so this is just the colors of the lipsticks. They don't bleed, they stay really long time. These lipsticks are $7 each. They're cruelty free, which is great. Packaging looks like this. All of the lipsticks are in the rose gold case with the stars all over it, and also it has stars all over the lipstick itself. And actually you don't want to ruin it because they are so pretty and the packaging is so cute. I love it so much. From my swatches you will see the opacity of these colors and you will be blown away. So let's jump into the swatches. You know that I'm not the lipstick kind of person, but these lipsticks are really comfortable to wear and I really love them. I really love how they feel on your lips and I'm pretty sure that my clients will love them. I wish I bought more, I think. Yeah. So my final verdict is that these lipsticks are really of great quality and they are opaque, they are buttery, they are just great. So if you need some lipsticks in your kit, you should definitely check them out.